By 2030, 375 million workers may need to switch careers because of AI automation. That's a McKinsey report, not my opinion. And here's the scary part. It's already starting. Coders are being outpaced by no-code AI builders. Writers are competing with ChatGPT for freelance gigs. Designers are losing contracts to MidJourney and Canva AI. Specialists are under attack. But there's one identity AI is actually making more valuable: the AI Generalist. In this video, I'll break down the 5 reasons why AI Generalists will dominate 2025, and how you can start becoming one today. For decades, the formula was simple: pick a career, go deep, become a specialist. But AI is collapsing that model. Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs could be automated globally. The World Economic Forum ranks AI and big data specialists as the fastest growing roles, while jobs like clerks, secretaries, and even paralegals are shrinking. The bottom line is, if you're only good at one thing, AI will likely do it faster and cheaper. So if depth is losing value, what's replacing it? Breadth. That's where the AI Generalist comes in. An AI Generalist isn't defined by one skill. They're defined by adaptability. Think of them as a Swiss Army knife for the digital age. Build a landing page in the morning with Framer AI. Automate workflows by lunch with Zapier or Make.com. Create ad visuals in the afternoon with MidJourney. Edit and publish a polished video at night with Runway Gen 2. One person, multiple disciplines, all amplified by AI. And this isn't theory. Solopreneurs are already doing this today. But being versatile isn't enough. The real edge comes from the advantages AI Generalists have over everyone else. Advantage 1. Speed. AI Generalists can go from idea to execution in days, not months. In business, speed to market is survival. Advantage 2. Leverage. They don't just do tasks, they build systems that run 24/7. Example, an AI email sequence that nurtures leads while you sleep. Advantage 3. Adaptability. When a new tool drops, like OpenAI's Code Interpreter or Google's Gemini, generalists integrate it instantly. Specialists resist change. Advantage 4. Cost efficiency. Instead of hiring 5 people, they run 5 AI tools. That's why one-person startups are scaling like 20-person teams. Advantage 5. Independence. They don't need investors or big budgets. Their AI stack is their team. And these advantages line up perfectly with the direction the job market is heading in 2025. According to LinkedIn's Jobs on the Rise report, the fastest growing careers are AI specialists, automation experts, and growth managers. Notice the pattern? It's not about one skill. It's about being able to adapt across roles. AI generalists aren't just filling jobs, they're creating new ones. Whether it's building micro SaaS with GPT-4, running content agencies with AI video editors, or automating e-commerce ops, they're proof that one person with the right AI tools can now do the work of many. So the question is, how do you become one? Step 1. Learn the core categories: creation, content, design, video; automation, workflows and agents; analysis, data and decision-making; growth, branding and marketing. Step 2. Stack tools instead of skills. Don't waste years mastering Photoshop. Learn MidJourney in a weekend. Don't grind Python for 2 years. Learn to prototype with Cursor or Lovable AI. Step 3. Build real projects. Start small. Automate a personal task. Launch a one-page AI app. Create a content system. Experience is the fastest teacher. The future won't belong to the deepest specialists. It'll belong to the fastest adapters. The AI Generalist is that person, not bound to one lane, but equipped to pivot, build, and thrive anywhere AI creates opportunity. So if you've been waiting for the perfect skill, stop. Start stacking. Start experimenting. Start becoming the AI Generalist you'll need to be by 2025. Comment below, which AI tools are you learning right now? Subscribe for more breakdowns of the future of work, because this shift isn't coming, it's already here.